Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add overlay like 6 feet 3 in Alight motion, like this. Again, I know it not same, but before starting the tutorial please subscribe and like this video if you want like these tutorial in future. So let's start the tutorial. First add vector drawing from the right side in Alight motion, then use the vector drawing as an edge of character like me. To see and do it clear, use the blending in 50% for better performance. Follow my steps. Make a duplicate later of clips and then select the duplicate clips and vector drawing and then make it group. The group clips should be in mask in blending option like this. Then add brightness and contrast effort in clips like me. Add overlay as you like under the clips mask and effort like me, so follow my steps. I hue it as the background is besides on, you can use the hue as you like. Then I add the edge glow for glow effort. I add this overlay as the same way, but unfortunately the recording is glitching so I can't get it. Anyway, the tutorial is done. I hope you understand and like it. Please give a like if you get a little help from this video. Bye.